Hey Lucky,
Hi.
I have a question. Can I use my RRSP contribution to reduce my taxable income?
Yes, you can use your RRSP contribution to reduce your taxable income. When you put money into your RRSP, it reduces your taxable income for the year and may even increase your tax refunds. For example, if your earned income is $50,000 for the year and your RRSP contribution is zero, you will pay tax on $50,000. Let's say your earned income remains $50,000 and you are able to contribute $3,000 into your RRSP account. You will pay tax on only $47,000. That is your earned income of $50,000 minus $3,000. This will help to reduce your tax payable, and you may even get a tax refund depending on other factors. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more contents on finance. Share this video and press the notification button. Until my next presentation, thank you very much, merci beaucoup, and bye for now.